to our online assembly. We would like to acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we are gathered and pay our respects to their elders, both past and present.
Well, good afternoon everyone and welcome to this week's Cranbourne East Primary School online assembly. Well, my first message is to congratulate our school captains who attended the Remembrance Day service in Cranbourne on Monday, along with myself and Miss Herring, and on behalf of the school community, our captains laid a wreath on Remembrance Day. So fantastic effort and achievement, and we're very, very proud of our students who represented the school on that day. Well, the next message is about me being so excited. It's only one more sleep until our colour run. It's going to be so much fun and I can't wait to get involved tomorrow. And just remind everybody to ensure you return your form to school. Please give that to your home group teacher. And what we're aiming to do is for every single student in the school, see if we can raise $10 each. And that way we'll have some magnificent fundraising to support the teaching and learning and purchase some awesome resources for students at the school. Next week we have our Year 5 students attending camp. We wish them lots of luck. I know they're going to have lots of fun with their friends and staff and experience some really fun activities at camp. And my final message is just again, thank you everybody for your support to Pink Ribbon Day. Last week we raised an incredible $985.90. And a big thank you to our Student Representative Council, and I must say a big thank you to all our staff. We had a wonderful morning tea to celebrate that event. Okay, thanks everybody. Have a wonderful week, and I look forward to seeing you around the school.
The Ceps annual talent show will be on Friday the 29th of November.
All entries need to be submitted to the teacher by Friday the 1st of November. Some ideas for your talent act could be
magic tricks, hidden talent, singing or dancing.
jokes, play an instrument, share any other talents you have.
All acts are to be no longer than 3 minutes. Don't forget to get ready for the Ceps Talent Show!
Actually kind of slow. It's actually 44.
Probably not that accurate.
physiological system, well, let's get started. The circulatory system. When your organs are hard at work, they need supplies to keep them going, such as nutrients, sugars, hormones, and of course, oxygen. The blood delivers these around your body. That beating heart is constantly pumping your blood along over 60,000 miles of blood vessels.
Hello there! This week's weird, wonderful and wacky fact is about some vocab. Did you know that dreamt is the only English word that ends in the letters MT? Sweet dreams, everyone!
Use your head when you're online, most especially your mind. Think about the things you see. Ask good questions, that's the key. Use your arms when you're online to take a break and balance time and leave your tech behind. When you find yourself a tree to climb, from your head down to your toes, pause, think about it. From your feet up to your nose, pause and think online. Use your gut when you're online. Pay attention to its signs. Know when it's safe to play. Make good choices every day. Use your legs when you're online. Stand up to bullies who cross the line. You can help friends big or small. Just lend an ear and stand up tall. From your head down to your toes, pause, think about it. From your feet up to your nose, pause and think online. Use your feet when you're online. Think about the tracks you leave behind. Privacy's the way to go. Don't share with people you don't know. Use your heart when you're online. Always do what's right and kind by showing friends respect and being nice on the internet. So think with your head, balance with your arms, listen to your gut, stand up with your legs, make good tracks with your feet, and feel with your heart. Just pause and think online.
Good afternoon. This week's house points are 4th, Donnelly, 2,423 points.
3rd place is Lyre with 3,545 points.
2nd, Ruffy with 4,214 points.
And in 1st place is Hudson with 4,592 points.
Thank you.